Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday mo raw. Greetings! Happy birthday.
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 Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha?
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
You happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. And may you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lani Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday!
Lisa, happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you.
Enjoy your life and be happy always.
Balita ako may birthday ngayon. So, binabati ko ng happy birthday dyan ng utol kong si Wensha. Happy birthday, Tol Wensha. So, enjoy your day and a happy day. God bless and mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ganda ko, no? Birthday mo, pero mas maganda ako. Actually, wala namang kwenta tong video na to eh. Video greetings daw para kay Wensha. Wensha? Sino yun? Basta happy birthday sa'yo kung sino ka man. I love you. Alam mo yan. Paano kasi pag magdadrama ka dito? Sasabihin mo, ang plastic mo, bebe. Ano na magdrama? Yan lang. Kinantahan na kita. Huwag ka na maghanap ng regalo, ha? Yun na yun. I love you.
Hey yo, it's your boy Herdis. I just want to say happy birthday, Auntie Wench. More birthdays to come and yun. Happy life. God bless.
Happy birthday, Bebwensha. Ayan, 2 times na tayo nagkakasama sa birthday mo. But I just want to make this quick as possible. Happy birthday. And I just wish you good health. I just wish you a happiness in life. Alam mo yan, yung health, yan lang naman yung may paparegalo mo sa sarili mo. I know that you are happy. I know kung gaano kasi yung puso mo, punong-puno ng pagmamahal. And I am so much thankful kay Tom that he is always making you happy. I know. Kasi lagi namang nakikita yung story mo. And I'm always here for you guys, no matter what happened. You know naman kung gaano kayo ka-importante sa akin. Hindi tayo pwede mag-friendship over. Kasi, alam mo yun, dami na tayo nalalaman sa isa't isa. But I'm always here and I always love you guys. Marami tayong nakikilalang tao, but it takes a special person to, to take a part of your heart. And I can't wait to see you walk down the aisle. I can't wait to see you wearing your white gown. And, naman na one chat away lang ako. And I'm always here. And I always in my heart, I love you. And happy birthday.
Binabati ko nga pala ng happy birthday, Wensha. Ayun. Ingat ka pala.
Ayan. Hi, babe. I just would like to greet you. Happy birthday. Ayan, nagmamadali lang ako sa video na to kasi busy ako, pero I miss you. I love you. Ayan, I hope na makapag-banding ulit tayo tulad ng dati, doon tulad sa bahay natin noon. Alam mo na yun kung saan. Namiss ko na yung boses mo. Namiss na kita kakakulitan. Yan, ang wish ko lang ay good health. Stay humble, stay pretty, and ayan, be healthy. Ayan, ano ba? Wala na akong masabi sa'yo kasi nasa'yo na lahat eh. Yung pagkang talented, ganun. Yan. Nasa'yo na lahat eh. Ayan, masasabi ko na lang, I miss you so much and I love you. Ayan, see you soon. Ayan, happy birthday again.
So, yun na nga. Syempre, binabati yung mga nanonood sa baba. Ayan. Good evening, good morning, at good afternoon kung nasaman kayo. Ayan. Una-una, syempre, binabati ko yung may birthday, Madam Wensha. Ayan. Happy birthday. Good health lagi, ingat sa trabaho kung nasaan ka man ngayon. Sana magtagal kayo ng utol, Tom. Sana ikaw na yung last na karelasyon niya. Ayan. Ano ba? Enjoy lang kayo kung anong meron kayo. Huwag kayo gano'ng magmadali sa relasyon nyo. Mag-enjoy muna kayo. Ayan. At saka, ingat lagi. I lang good health. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday to one of a kind person who's sweet, jolly, charming, Ate Wensha. Wishing you more birthdays, blessings, opportunities, and unforgettable happy memories this year. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Yun, bago matapos ang araw na to, gusto ko lang batiin ng happiest birthday ang aming sis dyan na si Wensha Navarrete. Yun, ang wish ko lang sa'yo is more opportunity pa sa'yo and matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. Yan, more goals na matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. And then yung sa inyo ng utol Tom ko, the wedding of the century. Yun. And once again, happiest birthday sa'yo, sis Wensha. By the way, this is Drowdy. Peace, yo.
Hi, babe. Ayan, una, binabati kita ng happy birthday sa'yo. Naway napasaya ka namin sa araw na to. And, ayun, enjoy your day. And, wala na akong masabi. I'm so, niya talaga ako. Pero, alam mo na. And, pasensya ka na kasi minsan na lang ako nakatambay or natambay sa MR. Kasi, alam mo na, nagbabagong buhay na ako. Oh. So, pero, huwag kang mag-alala. Pag kami nangaaway naman sa'yo, matik, susugod agad ako. Isang tawag mo lang, andyan na agad ako. Ayan. I love you.
Big shoutout nga pala dyan sa Utol Wensha ko, tol. Happy birthday, tol. More birthday to come. Enjoy your day. Ingat palagi, tol. And stay strong sa inyo ni Utol, Tom. Yun lang. Peace.
Happy birthday, Wensha! Hindi man namin alam. Ako, hindi ko alam kung anong totoo mong pangalan. But, happy birthday, kaibigan. Happy birthday, Langga. Thank you for being one of my friend. Thank you dahil nakilala kita dito sa Imo. And I'm blessed to have you as my friend. Diba? Though, hindi ko talaga inaakala na pareho tayong Bisaya. So, I wish you all the best. Especially your happiness. Not just today, but sa future, especially sa future with your future husband, si Tom, no? I want you to be happy, and more importantly, sana bigyan ka ng lakas ng Diyos para marating mo kung ano yung gusto mong marating sa buhay, but still keep your life be a low-key lang, no? Keep it simple yung buhay natin. Gawin lang natin simple. Though may mga ambisyon tayo sa buhay. Pero 'di ba, mas maganda yung tahimik at saka simple lang yung pamumuhay. Alam naman natin kung ano yung status ng buhay natin, 'di ba? And I am hoping na okay lang yung lahat na sa paligid mo, yung pamilya mo, yung lalo na yung minamahal mo na malayo sa'yo. Sana okay lang silang lahat together with your family. And I am hoping again, so na maging masaya ka. At saka alam ko naman masaya ka, pero mas maging masaya pa, di ba? But I told you before, ayaw ka overwhelmed. Keep praying and trust God and have faith, of course. Huwag natin kakalimutan yun. Be healthy always and God bless you, Beb Langga. I love you!
Happy birthday nga pala dyan sa utol ko na si Wensha, and more birthdays to come, utol. Mahal na mahal ka nito, always, alam mo yan. And syempre, lagi kang maging masaya and always mag-iingat din. I love you, utol. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Wensha. Ayan, wish you all the best. At more candle to blow. At yun, stay strong lang sa inyo ni Kuya Tom. At yun, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
So, ayun na nga. Syempre, happiest birthday sa utol kong Wensha. Stay humble, stay beautiful, and maging mabuting tao lang tayo palagi. And shoutout sa yung dalawa ni Utol Tom. Stay strong kayo. Alam ko naman na nagmamahalan talaga kayo. And yun lang. Happiest birthday. Enjoy your day. And God bless. Salamat.
Hi Langga! Dahil birthday mo ngayon, ayan. Happiest birthday sa'yo, Langga. Ayan. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. So, one of my wish to you is stay healthy and always take care of yourself. And, yeah, congratulations. Soon to be bride, Langga ko. Ayun na. So, andyan ka na sa part na kung saan at least, maging stable ng iyong buhay sa piling ng inyong minamahal. Ayan, so I hope you always be happy. And again, yeah, happiest birthday, Langga. Mwah. See you.
Ayun, happy birthday kay Wensha sa aming kapitana sa podcast station. Wish you all the best. Mag-ingat ka lagi. Happy birthday.
Ayan. Hi! Shout out po sa lahat. Good morning, magandang gabi. Ayan, nais ko lang po bumati sa aming nag-iisang owner na malapit na kaibigan. Walang iba kundi silang gawin siya. Langga, shout out sa iyo. Happy birthday! Oh my God! Alam kong napakasaya mo ngayon kasi ang dami nagmamahal sa iyo. Basta Langga, hindi ko na masyadong papahabay na kasi alam mo na, nabubulol ako. Basta, I'm so happy for you Langga na ang dami nagmamahal sa'yo at lalo na dumating si Tom sa buhay mo. Ay, lagi nagpapakilig sa'yo. At ingatan mo lagi yan na kung sasaktan yan, maraming mag-aabol sa'yo, didukutin ka talaga namin pag sinaktan mo yan. Ayun Langga, yun lang ha. I love you so much. Thank you sa lahat na tinanggap mo ako bilang kaibigan mo. Bye!
Hey yo, what's up? Today is April 8 at napaka-special ng araw na to dahil mag-celebrate ng kaarawan si Wensha. Happy birthday sa'yo, Wensha. I wish you all the best and happiness in life. At sa pagbuklat mo ng bagong pahinang ng buhay mo, nandiyan na si Utol Tom na mag-aalaga at magmamahal sa'yo. Happy birthday. Stay simple and humble. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tuyo.
Hi, Yats. Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Yats, biro mo dati, crush lang kita. Pero, ngayon, girlfriend na kita. Di lang, syempre, girlfriend. Soon, maging Mrs. Bautista na. Alam mo, blessed ako kasi nakilala kita. Blessed ako na ikaw yung naging partner ko. Kasi, sa lahat ng issue, sa lahat ng paninira sa akin, still, nag-stay ka sa akin. Then, looking forward sa plans natin in the future na sana ma-achieve natin together. Then, alam mo na yun, sobrang mahal na mahal kita. Then, wish ko sa birthday mo is good health sa'yo, sa family mo, sa anak mo. Then, lagi mong isipin, kahit na anong mangyari, andito lang ako. Andito lang ako naghihintay sa'yo. Andito lang ako, if ever man need mo na akong kausap, if ever nalulungkot ka, andito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you. Happy birthday.
Sana all.
If all it is that is, why am I in my own